So my name's Adam White. I'm CEO of Intelligent Membranes, and we do liquid applied membranes for the passive house and eco-friendly industry. We recently used ATSPACE to do our air test for us, which we achieved 0.07 ACH, which is one of the world's most airtight buildings. This wasn't easy because we had to take the door out and change it for a ply door, and we had to seal that up as well. But together, we got this score that we wanted, and it just demonstrated how far ATSPACE will go above and beyond the necessary to do what they need to for a client. So the benefits of using ATSPACE is they'll be there when they say they're going to be there. If you need that air test done, they will get in there to do it, and it doesn't matter where you are in the country, they will be there. We found out about ATSPACE about 4 or 5 years ago when we were working together on a project, a timber frame project, and Paul had this company and then started doing our timber frame air testing for us. Overall, we really enjoy working with ATSPACE. They do take things to the next level for us. They go above and beyond to make sure the air tests get completed, and then when there's problems on some of our projects, they're there to help rectify any issues that may be there. I would highly recommend ATSPACE for any air testing or sound testing.